Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth while others struggle? Rich Dad, Poor Dad reveals that it's not just about how much you earn, but how you think about money. Get ready to have your financial mindset challenged as we explore the book's most powerful takeaways. Number 1, master your money. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki highlights the simple yet profound difference between assets and liabilities. Understanding this is like unlocking the first level of financial freedom. What's an asset? Think of it as something that puts money in your pocket. A rental property, a thriving business, stocks earning. What's a liability? That's the opposite. Liabilities drain your money. Think of your fancy car payment, your unused gym membership, or the designer shoes collecting dust. The rich get richer. Why? The rich focus on acquiring assets that make them money. While everyone needs to cover essential expenses, the goal is to have income-generating assets that outpace your monthly costs. This is the path to true wealth. Start small. Analyze your spending. Can you cut back on liabilities and use that money to invest in even a tiny asset? That change in mindset is the first step toward building true wealth. Number 2, don't save to get rich. We're taught from a young age that saving money is a virtue. While it's a good habit, it won't make you wealthy. Why? Inflation. The value of your money slowly erodes over time. That's where investing swoops in to save the day. Invest to beat the system. Think of investing as putting your money to work. When you invest in stocks, real estate, or a promising business, you aim for it to grow in value over time. A smart investment strategy will outpace inflation, protecting and even multiplying your wealth. This is the true superpower of investing. When your investments earn returns, those returns get reinvested and generate even more returns. It's a snowball effect that becomes incredibly powerful over time. Don't just let your money sit idle in a savings account. Explore investment options. Even small, regular contributions can lead to significant wealth down the road. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but about time in the market. Number 3, break free from the 9 to 5. Most people trade their time for money at a single job. This creates a dangerous situation. If you lose that job, your income stops. True financial security comes from having multiple sources of income. Why you need more than one income stream security. If one source dries up, layoffs, business downturn, you're not left scrambling. Multiple streams create a safety net. Growth. More income means more money to invest, fueling your wealth building even faster. Opportunity. Having side hustles or passive income streams can open doors to new passions, or even become your main source of income over time. Start thinking creatively. What skills do you have that you can monetize? Can you turn a hobby into a side business? Could you invest in income-generating assets like rental properties? Don't limit yourself. The more streams you create, the more secure your financial future will be. Number 4, calculated risks. So many people play it safe. They stay in unfulfilling jobs and never chase their dreams, all out of fear of failure. But what if calculated risks hold the key to extraordinary growth? Busting the risk myth isn't about gambling recklessly. It's about making smart, informed choices. This means doing your research to know what you're getting into before diving in. Prepare for the worst by hoping for the best, but having a plan for setbacks. Start small to test the waters before making major commitments. Why calculated risks pay off? The biggest opportunities often involve some degree of risk. Staying in your comfort zone limits your potential. Even if a risk doesn't pan out, you learn valuable lessons for the future. Overcoming challenges builds confidence that helps you tackle bigger goals. Don't let fear dictate your life. Look for opportunities where the potential reward outweighs the risk. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Number 5, financial literacy. We go to school for years, yet most of us graduate without the essential skill of managing our money. Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes that true wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but about how much you understand about money. Why does financial literacy matter? Break the cycle. Many people live paycheck to paycheck because they were never taught how to budget, save, invest wisely, and understand debt. Opportunities. Financial literacy illuminates possibilities. It helps you spot good investments, negotiate better, and make money work for you instead of the other way around. Avoid pitfalls. A lack of financial knowledge makes you vulnerable to scams, high-interest debt traps, and bad financial decisions that can haunt you for years. You don't need to be a financial expert, but it's time to prioritize financial education. Read books, take online courses, or find a trusted financial advisor. The more you know, the more control you have over your financial future. Number 6, your mindset is your wealth compass. Ever notice how some people seem to attract success while others struggle? It's not just luck. Your mindset, the way you think about money, opportunity, and yourself, plays a massive role in your financial journey. The poverty mindset versus the wealth mindset. Poverty mindset, I can't afford it. Rich people are greedy. It's too risky. This language of limitation keeps you stuck. Wealth mindset, how can I afford it? There's enough for everyone. I learn from challenges. This empowers you to find creative solutions and attract greater abundance. Start paying attention to your thoughts and language around money. Replace negativity with possibility. Affirmations like, I am worthy of wealth and opportunities are all around me might seem cheesy, but they rewire your brain for success. Couple this with action and you'll be surprised by the results. Number 7, power up with the right people. You've heard the saying,